Racing just started. We have Mangaro. Break quickly. Start running by Daryl Faket. Racket Super Duper. Iris Smile Fly. Aday Fly comes next. Bobon Lancer. Prince Dugo. Sophia's Fortune. Well, Executive Order is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. We have Mangaro by about 2 lengths. And in second is Iris Smile Super Duper. Is on the outside. Pocket Rocket is down on the inside. Then comes Fly Aday Fly. Sophia's Fortune. Executive Order. Bobon Lancer. While Prince Dugo now racing in less half-mile distance. They travel. They have Mangaro by about 2 lengths. Then here comes Executive Order. Now moving up to take second. Super Duper is racing in third. Fly Aday Fly comes next. Sophia's Fortune. Then followed by Pocket Rocket. Iris Smile. Then next on line is Bobon Lancer. While Prince Dugo is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Mangaro this time by about 4 lengths. Executive Order still in second. Super Duper still in third. And as they swing for home, we have Mangaro this time by about 3 lengths. And in second is Executive Order. Sophia's Fortune. And on the outside is Super Duper. Last 75 meters, we have Mangaro followed by Executive Order. Third goes to Super Duper. Sophia's Fortune.
6-3-1-7. Yun lang po ang klaro natin. First 4 finishers natin. Yung nalyamado rin si Mangaro, Banderan tapos